Up on the hill is my village, my owl. There is a creek with water pure and cool. I feel its taste, I know its every part. I love this place with all my soul and heart. When I remember that, my eyes fill up with tears. In memory forever leave these childhood years. How with my brother in the field we used to plow, and grains of wheat and rye in soil sow. I'm still a stranger to this world, but who is not? I still have much to learn, to see a lot. And yet, I know but one most sacred rule. In memory to keep my village, my owl.